Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to schedule an appointment on Calendly. By scheduling an appointment on Calendly, you select a time slot that is available by the person or organization that is hosting the event. To do that, you need to first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type in www.calendly.com. Then press on enter. With this, you'll be taken to official website of Calendly. Now, to schedule an appointment, you need to first log into your account. For this, click on login option on the top. Then you'll be taken to login page. Now, here you need to enter the email address that you have used to create your account on the given box. After this, click on login option. Then you'll be directed to another page. Now, here you need to enter your correct password of your account on the given box. After this, click on continue option. Then you'll be logged into your Calendly account and then here you'll be taken to event type page. Now to schedule an appointment on Calendly, click on new event type option on the side. Now here you need to select a event type, that is the type of appointment that you want. Whether you want one-on-one meeting or group or collective or round-robin appointment, I'm going on with one-on-one, which means that there will be one host and one member. So click on the given option. Now here you need to first choose a host. So here you can see the host will be you yourself as you are going to schedule the meeting. Now click on next option on the down. After this, you need to enter your event description. You need to first enter the name of your event on the given box on the left side. After this, you can select the duration by clicking on the given box. Then select the total time for the appointment. Now here you need to select the location in which the event is going to occur, whether it is on Zoom, that will be online, or phone call, or your in-person meeting. Or you can also click on all option on the side and then look for other options as well. I'm going on with in-person meeting option, so click on the given option. Then here you need to enter the description of your location. It varies according to the type of location that you have chosen. I have chosen in-person meeting, so now here you need to enter the physical location in which the meeting is going to occur on the given box. After this, if you want other information to be added as well, then click on include additional information option, then click on update. With this, now your location will be set. Now here you can see your event detail. Click on continue option on the down. After this, now you need to select a date and time for your event. Here you can see a small calendar on the right side. So you can choose the date according to the calendar. You can choose the month and then you can choose the day. After this, you need to select the time in which the meeting is going to occur. So scroll down and look for the time in which you are feasible to hold an appointment. After this, click on done option on the top left corner. With this, now here you can see that an event type has been added on my profile. That means now you have scheduled an appointment on Calendly. Now here you can share the appointment by clicking on share option. Or you can also copy the link and share it with other people. For this, click on copy link option. Then you can also change or edit anything on the meeting. For this, click on small setting icon on the top of the box. And then you can change any of the settings regarding the appointment. This is how we can schedule an appointment on Calendly. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If today's tutorial was helpful to you all, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.